class already you have discussed about the spherical mirror formula, and magnification, sign convention, ray diagram, everything you know it. Let us now to apply for it for solving that by solving different numericals. Let us discuss once again more. That is the spherical mirror formula, that is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. This is the spherical mirror formula, and v is the image distance, and u is the object distance, and f is the focal length. And before solving the numericals, you should to be thinking for the sign convention. The important thing is the sign convention. If anything is measured from pole to the left side of the spherical mirror is considered negative. From the outside, right side of the mirror is taken as the positive. Above the principal axis is taken positive, and below the principal axis is taken negative. And in that manner, if the image object is placed on the left side of the mirror, so always the object distance is taken negative. If any image is formed on the right side of the mirror, it will be considered always positive. And concave mirror, for concave mirror, the focal length is formed on the left side, so that focal length is taken negative. For convex mirror, the focal length is formed on the right side of the mirror, it is taken always positive. And in that manner, you know the magnification equal to, that is for the spherical mirror, magnification is always I upon O, size of the image by size of the object, that is equal to minus V upon U. The main formula is that always it is minus V upon U. Magnification is always minus V upon U, that is image distance by object. Whenever you are solving it, that you close your eye and just put the formula M equal to minus V upon U. Minus B upon U. For virtual image, magnification is positive, and for real image magnification is negative. But that positive negative should not be changed here. Whatever the values you will get it for the magnification, that value make it plus or minus. So here in this question we have to discuss a concave mirror produces 3 times magnified real image of an object. A concave mirror produces 3 times magnified real image of an object placed at 10 cm. Because here already is given the object is placed at 10 cm, the data given is the u is given here. The u equal to minus 10 cm. Another thing is that the mirror is concave mirror, means spherical mirror, it produces 3 times magnified image. Means size of the image is 3 times more than the size of the object. So in this case the magnification is given 3. Magnification is given 3. You know the formula M equal to minus V upon U, that is equal to, because the real image is formed, the real image, in case of the real image magnification is always negative, so 3 times magnification minus 3, or V upon U equal to 3, or that is V upon U, U is given minus 10 cm, so that is equal to 3, or V equal to minus 30 cm. B is actually the image distance. The image distance equal to minus 30 cm. That means the image is formed on the left side of the mirror, left side of the concave mirror. So it is already told that real image. So real image is always formed on the left side of the mirror, on the same side of the object, and you get the position of the image is at 30 cm on the left side of the concave mirror. This is all about your question number 1. The question number 2, what it tells, so that the mirror formula for spherical mirror holds good for a plane mirror too. That means whatever the mirror formula we are using, that is mirror formula whatever we are using, that is the 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by F, it is also applicable for the plane mirror. It is also applicable for the plane mirror. The important thing is that plane mirror is like that. Plane mirror is like that. So what should be the focal length of this plane mirror? The focal length of the plane mirror is infinite. The focal length of the plane mirror is infinite. Here the f is infinite, or if you put it the formula 1 by V plus 1 by U, that is equal to 1 upon infinite. Students, you just mind 1 upon infinite, that value equal to 0. So this is equal to 0, or 1 by V equal to minus 1 by U, or minus u equal to v, minus u equal to v. So what it is indicating? The minus u means that is on the left side, and v is positive, that is on the right side. If the object is at here, that indicates the object distance. The distance from mirror to the object and the distance of the image from the object, both will be the same. To the object and distance from this is the object and this is the image. The distance of the object from the mirror and distance of the image from the mirror, both are of the same. So because u is the object distance, v is the image distance, both are the same. The minus sign indicates that the object is on the left side of the mirror. Any measurement on the left of the mirror is considered negative, and on the right side it is considered positive. And the focal, that is the image distance v is equal to positive, that is indicating the image is on the back side of the mirror, that is the virtual image. The image whichever formed is called the virtual. So from the formula also we are finding the spherical mirror formula. We are finding the size of the image, position of the image in case of the plane mirror. So it is clear that the spherical mirror formula is applicable for the plane mirror. On the similar manner, I will give you some assignment on the spherical mirror. You just practice it. Thank you.